We've basically producing a show about Tom Jones, and it's a musical which we've been sort of developing since 2012 really, and we've been working on it and developing it and evolving the show, and we're finally now doing a UK #1 tour, which has been amazing for the company, you know, and we open on March the 7th in the Wales Millennium Centre.
A funny song with crazy words that roll along, and if my song can start you laughing.
These roles don't come often, and when you get that call from your agent saying, you know, there's this audition and it's for Tom Jones, then you know that, you know, there's something pretty special. So yeah, when I got the call saying I got it, I was even better. So yeah, it feels amazing. So this is based on his early life, and it's all, you know, true story, true events, but not a lot of people know about his early life when he left Wales to go and be a star. So this show is all about him before he was famous, and it's him trying to make it. So it's him singing in the clubs. It's also a very important love story between him and his still wife, Linda. So age 16 to 24, I think that's the age bracket we cover within the show.
And mommy's arms, and if my song can make you homesick.
I'm playing Linda, Tom's wife. Not many people know about her that much because she doesn't tend to keep a high profile. So it's great. It's quite liberating actually, because you try to stay true to the story, but people don't have this preconceived idea of what she is. So it's been great trying to discover more about her by reading books and such like that.
So maybe Linda should take a little break. Like a holiday, you know.
And if my blues can reach your shoes and start you tapping your feet, I'm happy to sing Dixie's chant.
One of the things that are very keen for us in our company is that we love inspirational stories and aspirational stories. So somebody growing up in the valleys, having this talent and basically with the determination to basically do something of himself, make something of himself. And that's very much a theme with a lot of the productions that we do at Nanog. So it's partly that, but also the fact that this show has got international appeal, and we want to take work that we create in Wales, in Neath, back in our unit in Neath. We want to take stories that can go further afield, can export the talent out of Wales, really.
Let me